In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MoneyGram Bank Transfer Pending. First, check your bank account to confirm that the payment was successfully authorized and there are no holds or issues with your account. Next, log into your MoneyGram app or website and track the transfer using the reference number to see if there are any alerts or requests for additional information. Then, double check all sender and recipient details, including names, addresses, and bank account numbers to ensure they match exactly because even small discrepancies can cause delays. After that, allow at least 24 to 48 hours for the bank and MoneyGram systems to process the transaction. Also avoid canceling or resending the transfer repeatedly while it is pending, as this can trigger additional holds or errors. And if the transfer remains pending beyond the expected time frame, contact MoneyGram customer support with your reference number so they can trace the transaction, identify any issues, and help release the funds safely so the recipient receive the money without further delays. So that's it.